Hi friends, what's this tick enter window? I am in the main window. I am now opening a child window here. This child window is displayed. Now still when the child window is still there, I can work on the parent window. Say many of the requirements I don't want that. So when the user must work on the child window, finish the work and then come back to parent window. So for that purpose I can disable my parent window. Now once I disable it, I can't work on the parent window. So only the child window is accessible. I cannot delete it. I cannot work on this particular parent window. I can further enable it. So now once I enable it, I can further work on it. We'll see how this we can do. And more also, we can even completely hide the parent window, allow the user to work in the child window and then restore the parent window. We'll see all this. This is the few lines of code where you are displaying one parent window, and on a click of a button one child window is opened. If you want how that works, you watch our part 1 where you have explained how to open a child window, how to close it, how to manage it, and in the part 2 we also discussed about how to pass the data. Now we will not be passing any data. Just for a quick reference, this is our parent window. We have declared it at line number 3. You can see this. Then there is a button. There is a text which displays that I am a main window. Now there is a B1 is the button, by clicking which we are just opening the child window. This child function my open gets executed, and this is my open. Inside my open function we are opening a child window. This is the child window, and the child window opens up with some text is there specifying that I am the child window, and there are two buttons in it. One is B3, that is disable parent for that purpose, and B4 is the enable parent. But here we have not added any functionality. This is for our display only, layout and all. We'll just run it and see how this works. You can watch our part 1 and part 2 also. See, this is the parent window. There is no functionality. I am just clicking this, then my child window is open up. This is the child window is there. So I have not put any functionality to these buttons. We'll add that. Now I can close this, again open the child window. Now it is over that it is opening. Okay, so now I can close this. You can watch our 1 and 2 part 1 and 2 to understand all this opening. This entire source code also you can download. Now coming back to our B3 and B4, these are the two buttons in our child window. So disable, first one is we'll add code to this B3 or disable parent. Now I am just adding a command to this. Command equal to lambda, then now my what I am telling is my child window, not parent, my w child. This is my child window dot. The method I am using is grab set. Sorry, here I missed. Okay, so now what will happen is once this button is clicked, this will grab the focus or it will disable the parent. So this child will be on focus and I can do work on this child window. So parent window, nothing, no functionality will be there. Now similarly, now when the second button, B4 button, that enable parent, there I will add the functionality now. Okay, here I am telling command equal to lambda. Now I'll say again my w, the child window. I am not doing anything to the parent. Child dot grab. Now release it. So the second one is when clicked, second button is clicked, the focus is released. So you see the B3 I am connected to grab set and B4 is grab release. I am just saving this. Let's run this and see. So yeah, this is opened. This is our parent window. Now I can, parent window when open, I can work in the parent window. I just entered some data here. Now click me to open. Now this is the child window which is open. I'm just bringing it to the side. Now still I can work on the parent window which I want to disable. Now I will click this disable parent. Now this is no more available. I am clicking on that text box, but it is not available. Nothing, no text also. I can't enter anything. Now this is this entire is I can work on this my child only. So let me just enable parent. Now once I enable parent, I can work on this further. I can able to delete this. Now again I can disable it. So no more it is accessible. Now again enable it. So now let's move how we'll hide this. Let us first change the text part. So I will say hide parent, then next here we will say restore parent. Okay, instead of grab, it's not child now it's the parent one. What we will say, this is withdraw. This withdraw, this method we are using, or we can write here also. Okay, the text part, whatever you want, you can change it. Now after withdraw, so now restore, when you want to restore it, we'll say it is not more child again, sorry, it is parent again. So we'll change the child, we'll make it to parent. So my underscore w is our parent window, and but these buttons are in child. So and we'll say now deiconify, DEICONIFY, deconify. So this will restore it. Now restore parent. Now I'm just saving this, running again. So yeah, so click here to open the new window. I can say this, I can still, let me say A, B, C, D. Okay, some data I have told. Now hide parent. Let's see what happened. It has gone. Now restore parent. I have restored. My data is still there. I can still work on it. So again, let me come to child again and hide it. So restore parent. Now I restored it. So this is how I can hide it and work. Earlier we have seen how we are disabled it, but it was there. Now we are able to hide it and again restore it. Just we'll add few more. If you have any doubts or any modification or any suggestion, use the comment section below to post your doubts and suggestions, and I will request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified as and when we post new tutorials. We keep on adding it, and thank you for watching.